Hello everyone, welcome to the video. This is day 18 of JavaScript 30 challenge. In this video, I'm going to make a useful script. So we are going to actually calculate a full length of a YouTube playlist, right? So in our starter code, I have replicated that all the I have replicated a similar way of YouTube playlist. In our YouTube playlist, we actually have an li tag. Inside our li, we have a custom attribute that is data time. Okay, so with the data time, the video length is mentioned or the video time is mentioned. So I'm going to take this data time, use this data time, and calculate the total length of a playlist. For doing that, we just have to take all the elements that has data time. Let's take that in our javascript. I'm using query selector all, and all the element that has data time. Let's check it with console log. So it is giving us a node list. I will prefer a array, so let's make it an array from. Sorry. Now it is an array, so we are going to work with that array basically. So what I will do is add a map function, elements dot map. Inside our map function, I will take element, and it will return all the elements data attribute value, right? So it will return dataset dot time, and I will take that in a variable constant second. Okay, let's actually print this. You can see we have taken all the time, this data time. Now what we have to do is split this, because here is minute and second, so we have to split this with a colon. So let's add another map function in it, and I will take an element, sorry, and I will split it, right? I will use destructuring minute and second, then I will split it with, sorry, let's check the output. You can see we have all the output here, but there is a problem. The problem is, if we use split operator, then it will be actually string. So what we have to do, we have to actually use another map function, and inside our map function, what we have to do is we have to return something. an element that will actually parse, sorry, I can directly use parse int. Okay, if I use parse int, then all the value is basically our integer value, but it is not working. Why it is not working? Let's see. Split will give us okay, I can use parse float. Let's see if it is working. Now it is working because it was a float value. Okay, now we have our minute and second, so I actually return a value, return minute into 60 plus second. It should be seconds, so second. Now check the output. So we have calculated all the value in seconds. Now we have all the video duration in second. So what we have to do is actually sum up all the value. For this I'm going to use reduce function. Inside our reduce function I will give a total and second, and it will return total plus second. Also I will pass a value 0. Now let's check the output. It is saying 17,938. Now basically we have summed up all the time duration of the video. What I have to do is actually split everything in hour, minute and second. For this I'm going to use hour equal to seconds divided by 3600, then seconds equal to seconds mod by 3600, right? So I have to make it late so that it will not give any error. Then I have to use minute equal to seconds divided by 60, seconds equal to seconds mod by 60. So we should get our result here. Let's check the output. So I'm actually getting the output, but there is a problem. The problem is it is giving us a value of decimal point, but we just want to get the actual value or the floor value. So let's take it. Math.floor, right? And this should be math.floor. Math.floor. Now if I see the output, this is actually the output. So if we want to calculate a playlist or a whole duration of a playlist, so we can use this script. We just have to change this one, or we can actually use directly. So this will actually calculate the whole duration of a YouTube playlist. So this is for today. The code will be in my GitHub repository, and repository link will be in my description. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.